much gonna unscrew this.
Dada, here you are, Dada.
Alright, hold on for me. Screw this up and replace it with the new one. This is the new one. Usually putting this ring in is the deal, but we'll see. Took out the old one. Now we're gonna be replacing it with the new one. There's gonna be some pain, but usually it's just fitting this in here. That's the issue. We'll see how it goes. So let me clean this up and then get the party. Clean it up and now insert this one. Press down, remove excess glue. To press down and remove any excess of this, and then so pretty much I insert the ring and that's how it's defolding. And now I'm gonna attach the other one. I have the ring in place. This is the ring. I'm just gonna screw tight all of these ones. Yeah, so let me screw it through here, the old one. So I've pretty much snapped everything into place, and now we're gonna work on this one. So when it comes new, this is blocked, right? It has to go to this cable. So what you need to do, you gotta hammer in here. Let me hammer it. So I'm gonna hold it down like this and then use the hammer to hammer it so it can open. So I'm done drilling, so you can see now that this can go in all the way. It's done drilling. Now we're gonna go with the connection at the bottom. So pretty much comes like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and start the wiring process. So I open it up, you see the black and black will go, and so this is my cable connector. I'm gonna take that wire, get it in here through there, coming out here, and then wrap it here, and that should be good. Let me do that. So guys, here's my cable connector. I'm just gonna tighten it up now. I'm gonna tighten it with that. So the ground cable is connected, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna use my top. The neutral and the black will go together, and I'll cap them